Now this strategy is being explained on the 5 minutes time frame for GBP USD, plotting my Fibonacci. Okay, this is my Fibonacci 2. Okay, the price retraced at 75%. Price went down this way. Okay, and for this particular leg, price also retraced 75%. Went down this way. Okay, but one thing is important here. We first of all have the impulsive move, all right, and then we trade the retracement of, we target 75% retracement on the retracement move. Okay, this is the retracement move. First of all, allow impulsive move to the trend to happen. Allow price to retrace. Immediately price retraces. Target 75% retracement on that, 75% correction on that retracement, and also target 75% correction in the same direction, correction on this next leg. All right, so the first thing to do is allow the trend to finish. The moment you have breakout, this is a trend, and breakout happened here, which is change of character. Allow this to complete, and then allow this to be the second change of character. All right, so on breakout of this second change of character, target 75%. All right, 75%. All right, and allow that to play out. And immediately that plays out, allow this to play out. This is your trade. Immediately this plays out. Obviously, price starts to decline. And this is the new trend. This is the new trend, because this is a high and this higher than this high. So this way you have a change in character. At the retest of this change in character, target another 75% at the retest. Or let's just say the moment you see change in character, allow price to come to this 25% and then buy up to 75%. And that's what happened here. You have change of character of the main trend, right? The moment you have change of character or like breakout of the main trend, plot on the change of character, plot your Fibonacci and enter 25% to 75. And same thing on that corrects, wait for the correction to give you change of character, also target from 25% on the correction. This is a correction, target 75%. So the first thing is trend, correction. At completion of correction of trend, enter. Once you see the breakout of the trend line on the correction, enter 25% retracement, target 75%. Once that is concluded, at that 75% you expect price to drop. Once that has dropped, also map out and then wait for correction to elapse. And then once movement you see change of character, target 25%. Enter 25% and target 75%. If you look at Euro USD, this 1 hour time frame, this is the trend, right? That's the trend line. Okay, see breakout, change of character, target 75%. That's what happened here. Enter at 25%, target 75% on this trend. Now, once that is achieved, you have correction. This is the correction of this trend. This is the impulsive move, this is the corrective move. On the corrective move, enter at 25%, target 75%. Okay. Also on the next corrective move, enter at this next impulsive move, rather this corrective move, this impulsive. That's the first impulsive move. Enter 25, target 75. Second impulsive move, enter 25. This is your 25 here, target 75. Now this is the third corrective move. Enter at 25, somewhere around here, and target 75. So that's what the video is all about. Alright, so on your corrective move, on your impulsive move, plot the trend line at target 25, 75, enter at 25, retracement, target 75 retracement. Now this is a corrective move. It now became this is an impulsive, this is a corrective move also, but within the corrective move, we have an impulsive move. Enter at 25, target 75. So that's what it's all about.